quietly empowering the people. The Black Secret.
What can we learn from the Songhai Empire? Well, the Songhai Empire has a very rich art heritage. A whole series of sculptures were found in an ancient West African city called Old Gene. The sculptures are thought to have been made by women, and they were made in female workshops. These sculptures show a mixture of naturalistic and abstract art. And therefore, it shows that people were thinking abstractly in terms of art heritage between 1000 and 1200 AD. Now that means more than 800 years ago, 700 years or more before Pablo Picasso and Modigliani. African scholars were thinking in a very modern, abstract, three-dimensional way, and it shows up in the art. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black history course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.
The Black Secret.